Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Birbal Khale. I am a owner of Micro Hydro Power Project in Part1 Rural Electrification Private Limited. Now I'm going to just share my experience in about the micro hydro operation, maintenance, and I will try to complete my presentation within the 7 minutes or 7 to 10 minutes. More than 70% people live in the village area. The Nepal is a highly potential of the micro hydro power project for the rural community, and because more than 6,000 small stream and river flow through the villages, and the national grid is very far from the village, and very difficult to reach there, and physically and financially not viable, and the settlement is very scattered and geographical terrain. I think first time I saw the mini first time I saw the dynamic driven water mill near the highway in 1986, and then Nepal government has announced the subsidy policy for the developing alternative energy promotion in Nepal, in the country, and we built a 50 kilowatt power project in my village. I built 50 kilowatt power project in my village in 1991. It was the first project around there. So and in 2004 we built second power project in 130 kilowatt power project in the village, and third one, third is in 2015, the 7.8 magnitude earthquake totally damaged village and all village household and project, and we rebuilt within 8 months that project, because that was very important to rebuild to the reconstruction of village. And now we are going to 500 another project to fulfill the energy demand, because energy demand is increasing every year so much. So we are going to, that project is the 3PP model. Last two projects we built, that project was a single ownership, my project, but now we are going to third project is a 500 kilowatt project, and 3PP model means public-private partnership model, and we can collect the 35% equity from local people, and then 70% we hope we try to collect get a smart loan. Next. So these are the overview of my two projects. And first project 50 kilowatt, and the project cost was $58 per kilowatt. And second project in 2004, and $158, and near the 3 times more expensive than first one. And the first project we got 20%, about 20% subsidy from the agricultural bank through the government, through the agricultural bank. And second project we got the subsidy from AAPC, first phase of the AAPC SAP, and we got a loan from agricultural development bank in about 60% from the agricultural development bank. And second project we got from my relatives 40% and loan, and equity was 20% at the first project, and second project about 12%. In the initial stage, we convinced them and about the technology, about the market, about the about the demand else. I'm a financial advisor, like that kind of activities and kind of advice we have done. And so now we have about 105 kilowatt consuming the total consuming power to these activities. And first time we installed in the roadway, the goods transport roadway, the total length was 2.3 kilometer. And secondly, we established Nepali handmade paper, agro processing mill, and these are the activities are running very well. And as well, local community are getting the good facility from these activities. And these topics is the main factor of for the success. Main factor: ownership structure private with clear incentive promote productive use, and maximum energy sales, technical component of owner operation, awareness raising and financing to the increased productive in uses. Micro hydro is the most modern for the lighting. Here and transparent tariff setting using of the time use of a structure capacity meet the demand. Because we another thing, the dynamic tariff system is very important. I realize, but we classified four different kind of tariff system. One thing is the domestic, especially for that system is household basis, and second is highly commercial, dedicated line we supply 24 hours, and daytime cottage industries and off-hour. Daytime cottage industries is tariff rate is a little bit higher side than off-hour, because off-hour is 0.3 per unit, and 0.1 is cottage industries, only 12 hours, 11 hours we supply energy, and dedicated line we supply 24 hours is very more expensive than other. And so the domestic is 0.7 per unit is very near, little bit cheaper than government rate, government tariff rate. So this is the very important and important factor for the success. And the micro hydro, especially micro hydro business, is not a profitable business, but social impact is very high, and social impact is very high. It the quality of rural people life to make it easy, and health and communication is easily, and drudgery reduction, small business enterprise development, reduce the indoor pollution, employment opportunities, and environment friendly is the bonus. So now we are going to feasibility study. The second one, third project, will set up every household the smart meter for the dynamic tariff setting, and different time, different tariff to consume the 24-hour energy. Thank you very much.
Excellent.